So I started working on the Civic. I removed all the plastic all the way along. It doesn't look too good. It rusted through here. The situation isn't exactly great. This part was already shown in the previous video. I'm not sure if it's even worth dealing with this, but yeah, I don't know. This is the floor. It doesn't seem so good, so I cleaned it a little bit and so in here this is good. So I think I gonna cut it off here, somewhere here, and I welding new metal, and after I rebuild this side. This is my plan. So now I'm clean a little bit more this side, because when I weld I don't want to fire it up. So that's it. So I cut it out. First I try to welding here. I try I can weld or not. This is my first try. I think I don't think anything. This is my first try. Okay, I so totally forgot to record how I measure and cut it off the metal for the floor and the beginning of the welding, but now I show you how I weld it, and yeah. So this is, I don't weld it full. I'm working on it, but the joke is I can't use my flux core welder because it's burned metal. So I gonna use my this I don't know, stick welder, or yeah. So I work with this, and it's work very fine. But now I'm gonna weld it full, and after I'm show you. This is the final. I don't think it's nice, I don't think, but for me it's good, and it's better than it was. Okay, so a little more grinding or sanding, and it will look pretty good, I think. So that's it for now. Yeah, in the next video I hope I will already be able to show you the rocker panel as well. So I hope see you soon.